What is up everyone? I have a new video for you today. I had some issues with my car again. Yesterday I saw some grease points on my rim and I can see some grease behind the wheel. And you can see I have a hole in my CV boot. So I have to replace this today. And you can see all the grease from the CVT boot came out on my rim. And it's grease everywhere. I use a brass punch. This is a soft metal, so it won't hurt the threads. I'm just making sure this is loose. And before I start cutting this one off, I will just make sure the new one is the right size. And it seems like this is the right size. And the new one comes with new clamps, so I'm just cutting the old one off. And it also comes with a new clip and new grease. A lot of grease. To install the new boot, I will have to take off the CV joint from the drive shaft on the car, and I will use a puller for this. You can also use one of these and then you thread the boot over and this one spreads out. I have another video here on YouTube that shows how this method works, but this style is more like a hard plastic, so you can't expand this like the ones in rubber, so just keep that in mind. But I think this style will last a lot longer, especially here in Norway when it's very cold in winter time. The ones in rubber can easily crack up. I went ahead and bought this one, but now I ran into a problem. So this tool isn't wide enough to go over this joint. So I had to go and get the bigger one, and you can see the difference. So make sure you measure this before you go and get one of these tools. Okay, that worked fine. And now I will just clean this very good. And I will replace this little clip. And I just clean this with brake cleaner. But you can also just use gasoline or diesel or something else. And I clean it on the outside to get a good seal for a new CV boot. So it's a lot of rust. And I rinse everything a final time. And now this is very clean. And I replace the clip. And the new boot came with a new clip. But before I install the clip, I put on a new boot. And I saw this trick on YouTube. I have not tried this before, so I will try this. And I add some grease on the splines. And I will fill this with grease, but I like to add a bit more. And I just check a final time. So now that's on. And I just realized I forgot to put this one on. But you can actually open this, so that's not a big deal. But you can put it on before you put on the... but you should put this on before you put on the boot. And I'm just checking everything is nice and smooth.